Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of stationery with a product that's making waves: the Granhoolm 50-pack 5x7 envelopes. If you're looking for the best colored envelopes in the 5x7 category, you've come to the right place. These envelopes from Granhoolm are not your average stationery. They're designed with versatility and quality in mind, perfect for all your invitation needs. Whether it's for weddings, birthdays, or any special occasion that demands a touch of elegance. Let's talk features. Each envelope is crafted from 120 GSM paper, ensuring durability without compromising on style. The self-sealing closure makes it effortless to secure your invitations, no licking required. Just peel and press, and you're good to go. These envelopes are printer-friendly, compatible with most printer models, so you can personalize each envelope with ease. Say goodbye to smudges and misprints. These envelopes ensure your invitations look professional and polished every time. The multicolor assortment adds a vibrant touch to your correspondence. Whether you're sending out Christmas cards or wedding invitations, the Granhoolm envelopes stand out with their stylish design and sturdy build. They're not just envelopes, they're a statement of quality and craftsmanship. With over 271 ratings and an impressive 4.8 out of 5 stars, it's clear that customers love these envelopes. They appreciate the combination of affordability and high quality that Granhoolm consistently delivers. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best colored envelopes for 5x7 cards, look no further than the Granhoolm 50-pack. They combine practicality with style, making them a must-have for any occasion where presentation matters. Whether you're planning a wedding, a birthday party, or simply sending out heartfelt greetings, these envelopes ensure your message arrives in style. That wraps up our review of the Granhoolm 50-pack 5x7 envelopes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Have you tried these envelopes yourself? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off. Thanks for watching.